If you're a fan of Game of Thrones, you might be very, very familiar with this lovely city. I am Luis.
And I'm Monica.
Welcome to Monika and Luis vlog, guys. Welcome to Dubrovnik. This is the city wall of Dubrovnik here in Croatia. And we are thrilled. This is just the beginning of our trip. Right now we're doing a road trip. This is the first stop that we're doing. We're going to spend half of the day here exploring the amazing city of Dubrovnik. Check this out.
Hello adventurers! On this episode we're embarking on an epic road trip and you are coming with us. Picture this. It's 2 a.m. and we're hitting the road from Tirana, Albania all the way to Dubrovnik, Croatia. After 7 hours, a quick ferry, and yes, lots of coffees later, here we are. But hold on, this is just the tip of the iceberg. During the next episodes, we'll be driving through Croatia and Italy, making stops in Venice, Verona, Lago di Garda, Florence, Pisa, Rome, and the stunning Amalfi Coast. Our final destination, you're wondering? The enchanting island of Sicily, where we'll explore Messina and wrap up in the relaxing Taormina. So hit that subscribe button and let's make this a journey to remember.
So this is where people live. Believe it or not, there are residents here inside these walls, guys. All these are houses where people are living. And Dubrovnik is very, very rich in history. You cannot believe how old it is. Believe it or not, actually, Dubrovnik is from the 7th century. About the year 614. This is how old this city is. So, you might be wondering, why is Dubrovnik so packed? Besides its historical allure, it's also a popular filming location. Ever heard of Game of Thrones? Yep, part of his were filmed right here. To be precise, King's Landing was filmed here in Dubrovnik. You can see a lot of people are doing tours. They have tour guides here and lots of stores with Game of Thrones theme. Are you excited?
Yes, but I'm just going to be quiet because you're the one who knows everything about Game of Thrones and you are the one who brought me into city. So.
Actually, I've been here before, 16 years ago when Game of Thrones wasn't out. So for me, it was actually when I saw Game of Thrones for the first time, I'm like, if I'm not mistaken, that's Dubrovnik, and it was. But look, the streets, guys, and the houses are so nice. And just another store with Game of Thrones theme. You see the dragon there, and little Tyrion Lannister right here. Yeah, obviously, it's gonna be a lot of store with the Game of Thrones theme. People come to Dubrovnik for its unique blend of Asian architecture, crystal clear waters, and vibrant culture. Whether you're a history buff, a foodie, or just looking to soak up some sun, there's something for everyone. Here's where everybody comes to refill the bottles of water for free in Dubrovnik.
Including me.
Including Monica.
I'm laughing because one guy was washing hands where I was refilling my water bottle, but yeah, I got it.
So today, because it's Thursday, they have a nice market here. You can find all these handmade by the locals. Everything is made by the locals here, and you can find it, well, obviously, grow by the locals too. And they have all the food. Even the presentation, guys, looks so amazing. Look at that presentation. €8 for all those fruits. That's very nice. Yeah. If I'm not mistaken, these are figs. Wow, look how many berries.
Yeah, I want those.
Ah, so good. So this is the palace where they have their concerts. It's a very exclusive place, and well, I'm not sure if I'm allowed to record inside, but this is where they have the concerts, where they have the opera, when they have like special events. No, we cannot record inside, so maybe I can show you from outside. So they have a piano inside. They call it the Mozart piano. Now it's not that the piano used to belong to Mozart, but the same person who made the piano for Mozart is the same person who made the piano that is inside here. Fun fact. So over 1.5 million people, they come to Dubrovnik every single year. Now, most of them, as you can see, are from the cruise ships. Now you can see this tender boat is from Viking Sea. Cruise ships, they come here a lot. Actually, the first time I was here was with a cruise ship. But also, if you want to take a boat tour here in the just to go around Dubrovnik, it's only $45. I wanted to go, but Monika didn't want to go, so
Liar.
so we're not doing it. But there is many things you can do. First of all, to get here is free. The entrance is for free. You can walk everywhere. Of course, they have lots of tours, good restaurants. It's a lot of Italian food here, right? They have a tram right there, a cable car that will take you there to the top. And also, you can walk through the wall, on top of the walls of the city.
And that's the reason why we didn't take the boat tour, because we want to walk in the walls of the city.
Monica wants to walk in the walls of the city. Oh, look at the color of the water. It looks so refreshing now, especially today that is a hot day. Yeah, it would be nice just to swim there. What I like of these cities is the edifications that are built with stone. And as you see, in most of the Balkan countries, Montenegro, Albania, in Serbia, you can find this type of edifications. It looks very nice. In fact, if you go to Kotor, the old city of Kotor looks very similar to this one, same as Budva, and yeah, many cities here in the Balkans. So we saw all these people here.
So many people. It's packed today. I think it's like 3 cruise ship.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Turns out they have a concert right there. Yeah, that was Monica being thirsty. So all over the city, they have these kind of fountains, and the water is so cold, especially today that it's hot, is extremely refreshing. Maybe for Monica.
I was just very curious to listen to that lady. She said everybody who came to Dubrovnik back in the days had to bring a stone, but I didn't quite catch why.
Maybe because they have to build this with stones? I don't know, I'm just assuming. No, because depends on what time of the year you come here. If you come when it's summer and all the cruise ships are here, you will end up walking behind all these people. So, here are some fun facts about Dubrovnik.
Did you know that the state of Dubrovnik was the first ever to recognize United States of America?
So, Ragusa was the official name of Dubrovnik until 1808.
Also, Dubrovnik has the first world orphanage. That was something very interesting.
Now, something very important is the city walls of Dubrovnik have never been breached before.
And also, Dubrovnik features a medieval sewer system that dates back to the 1296, if I'm not mistaken, and it's still in operation.
So the
today.
sewage system still working in 2009. Can you believe it, guys? That's amazing. Now, this is
Really
one of my
amazing.
favorites ever. The Republic of Dubrovnik formally abolished slavery 600 years ago. That, to me, is the top one. As much as we love exploring Dubrovnik, it's time to hit the road again. So, Please don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with your friends. Next stop, the romantic canals of Venice. Trust us, you don't want to miss our upcoming adventures. I hope you really enjoyed Dubrovnik as much as we did. This is it for today and ciao for now.